There is a chicken in there. Let's go catch the chicken. Hold on. Hold on. I need to switch. Okay. Let's go catch the chicken. Oh, she ran away. She ran away. Let me close the door so that flies don't go in. The chicken ran away. There is another one, but she's moving away too. This way, this way. This way, this way, this way. There's another one here. Oh, she's far. She's gone. She's gone. Let's see if there's one hiding here. Nope, no chicken hiding there. Now leave them alone. That's their territory. Just chase the ones in your territory. Oh, there are some more in your territory at 148. Let's close the gate so they can't escape. Okay, they're all yours if you can pull hard enough. Let's go to the other side. Where are they? I don't see them. Where are you putting that? There's no chickens in there, are there? I don't see any. There are no chickens in there. They're just smelling the sense of them being here 10 hours ago. They are probably hiding by the van, maybe under a van. Let's go look by the van. Oh, it's getting hot. I need to take my sweater off. I need to find a way to attach your leash so you don't escape. Oops, almost came out. Need to find a way to attach your leash in a way you don't escape. Okay, go ahead, pull. See if this holds. Pull away. Okay, this seems to hold. You better not escape while I take my sweater off. Okay, gonna put the phone down for a minute. Oops, this is gonna fall. No, it seems to hold. It seems to hold. Maybe I can attach it to both. That's safer. Come back, give me a minute. Come back, just 1 minute. Okay, it seems safer. You have a new sitter. It's called the Husky X21. Knows how to keep you away from the chickens. You must be hot. You have to go back home. Yeah, let's go home. It's too hot for you. We'll come back later. You did poop. I didn't see you pee. You need to pee, then we go home. Okay. You need to pee, then we go home. Let's go to the shade. That's where you remember to pee. Hey, there is a chicken there. She's behind the fence. She's at 148. I thought they escaped. Where are they? Where were they hiding? Let's go back, look for them. Let's go back and look for them. But let me put my sweater away first. My sweater and shirt. Give me a second, okay? I'm gonna put them. We will go back, don't worry. I just need to put this first. I need to put this here. No, we're going back, we're going back. We're going back for just a minute or two. Come here. Where are they hiding? They must have found a new hideout. At least, well, I shouldn't say that she. I saw one. Maybe she's playing dead in the grass or something. I hope I don't step on her. Yep, that's where she was. Try to follow her scent. Maybe she's hiding inside the tent. Check under the tent. See if she's there. Hey, chicken, you there? No, she's not here. Step out of that. Okay, she's gone. Let's go home. Let's go check by the vans and then go home. You don't want to check by the vans. That's where they hid the other day. Okay, as you wish. No, that's their safe haven. You're only allowed there when the chicken coop door is closed. Okay, let's go home. It's too hot. Let's check that small yard, see if anybody's there. Let's just check from here. Nope, they're all by the coop. You scared them all. Let's go home. Let's go home, let's go home. Let's go home.